how to download Roblox in your PC. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to do is find a browser first where you can successfully download Roblox from. So it could be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Brave. It's completely up to you. Just choose any one of them. I'm going to be choosing Safari. And once you're here, just open a new tab and now just type in roblox.com. Just enter its domain. So you're here. And once you do, you'll have all of these options like download on App Store, Google Play, PlayStation, Xbox, and many more. Just tap on this option right here if you're using an iOS device. If not, just choose any one of them down below. And you have this option right here that says download Mac app. So since it's my device, I'm just going to be tapping here and this will automatically download. So as you can see, just tap on save and the download process should begin. And slowly just follow the instructions, and once you do, it'll appear on your games right here. So Roblox is right there. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.